In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, what information you'll need, and how to complete verification so your payout can be processed smoothly. First, sign into your Whop account and head to the home page. This is your main dashboard where you can quickly get to account settings and see what's new. If you're already logged in, you can also reach this page from anywhere by clicking the home icon in the navigation. Next, look toward the top right of the screen for your profile icon. Under that menu, you'll see an option labeled Balance. Click it to open your balance overview. Here, Whop typically shows your available balance, any pending funds that are still in a holding period, and your total earnings. If your available amount looks lower than expected, it may be because some recent sales are still pending until standard hold times pass or disputes clear. On the balance page, find the Withdraw button and click it. If the button appears disabled, double-check whether you meet the minimum withdrawal amount or whether your funds are still pending. When it's active, clicking Withdraw will start the payout flow and show you the amount that can be moved out, along with any applicable fees or limits. You'll now be asked to fill in the blank fields with your personal details. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on your government ID and bank records, add your address, and provide other requested information such as your date of birth or tax details if prompted. Accuracy matters here. Typos or mismatched names are the most common reasons withdrawals get delayed. Next, complete verification and any additional information requested. This may include an identity check and, if required, uploading a clear photo of your ID and confirming your address. You may also be asked to provide or confirm payout details such as your bank account information or preferred payout method. Only enter information for accounts you own and make sure your routing and account numbers are correct to avoid failed transfers. When everything looks good, click Continue. You'll see a brief summary confirming the withdrawal amount, the destination, and any fees. Submit to finalize the request. You should see a confirmation on screen and, in many cases, receive an email. You can return to the balance section at any time to review the status. Processing times vary by region and payout method, but most withdrawals complete within a few business days. If something doesn't update as expected, check your verification status and then reach out to Whop support for help. That's it. Your withdrawal is on its way. Thanks for watching and happy selling.